about that size. Okay? So I'm going to cut it a little bit long. Use the old Japanese pull saw. Like that. Clean off the burrs. Okay. Now we're going to install another male adapter like that. Completes the other side of the nipple. And we use our ABS glue right here. Being very careful not to spread COVID-19. Oh, can't say that. Sorry, CV-19. You know, you can't say that on YouTube anymore because they'll flag your videos. Okay, just enough. Okay.
Let's see what you got there. That's
Wipe off the
pretty
excess.
impressive.
Pretty good. Now I'm going to take the rest of this, I'm going to put it in that other male adapter, and that will be the replacement for this nipple. Okay. So we're going to get up in here again, and we're going to glue up both sides. Try to get glue everywhere.
Like I said, ladies and gentlemen, it's really hard to get a good close look of what he's doing, but I can tell you right now, he is gluing the outer pipe right there. Here, let me zoom in so you can get a good look.
There you go.
You have a basic idea. If you're, you know what I mean, you know what you're doing. There it is. Wow.
There's
That is a beautiful thing, dude.
Look at that, Brian.
That is gorgeous.
Okay. Now, we go back to our drainel. Remember this from the beginning? We remove that drainel, and now we're going to put it right back on. Only we're going to use this self-expanding slip nut. No glue needed to replace that old, dilapidated piece of poop. Okay, slide that in. Take our P-trap, previously removed. Make sure all of our connections are good. Run it over there. Line everything up, tighten it down. Okay. Make sure our gaskets are in the right way up. I had an old buddy of mine, Sergio, used to put those in upside down. Wonder why they leak. There's a right and a wrong way to do it, Sergio. Sergio. Love that guy. He was a nice guy, old Sergio. He just didn't know how to do plumbing very well. Okay, now we tighten down that slip nut on the back side where our new nipple is. Make sure it's nice and tight. You can just go hand tight with these plastic ones. You don't have to put a wrench on them. When you do put a wrench on them, they break. Clean everything up. Alright. Now, we're done. Last thing we have to do is test it. fill it with water and let it test. So what we're gonna do, folks, is we're gonna do the Eugene thing. Probably go smoke a bowl. Let the glue set up, and then we'll be back to test it.
I have to say how blown away I am with how tight and clean, how you wiped everything off. Like it's completely ready to go, and just everything was done just really, really nice. But the true test is when we come back from our break and see if it leaks. So, everybody take care, and we'll see you here in just a little bit.
Okay, folks, we're back. We done took our break. We let the ABS glue set up. And now we're going to test it. So let's throw a little bit of water down here now. You gotta... Let's get a good close-up on it. Remember where it was leaking?
Right, dude, I don't see any water dripping down the back of that wall. You see that mark?
Remember it was leaking right there before? Now it ain't. But, we'll make sure all that's good. We want to make sure we're draining. Make sure we don't have a backup. So we're going to fill this up a little bit. We're going to let that sink fill up. And then we're going to give it a good hard flush.
Secrets of the trade right here, doing this little kind of stuff. Like, oh, let's fill this up first.
Still good? Still no leaky?
Look how pro that is.
Super pro? Okay. Super hot water though. Super hot water. I'm not sure how much battery I have left in this thing, Garrett.
Not much. We should get going. To
might-
finish off and show everybody else.
I know. We gotta get our groove on.
You have probably 3%, so this is it.
Okay, ready? We're gonna pull the plug. Ready? It's
Yep.
hot, so. Oh God! Oh wow, that's hot. Okay, so. Should get it nice.
Whoa!
Nice.
Look at that.
Nice suction,
That's what
whirlpool.
you know you're doing it. When you see a whirlpool like that, ladies and gentlemen, you know there's suction in your train.
Okay, yep. Alrighty.
Look at that.
Any water? Any water? Nope, no water. Rock and roll. Okay. Love you guys.
Wow.
We will see you on the next one.
That's pretty incredible.